Okay? Hello mga kabahaw. So today we're going to evaluate or to find the derivative of the function f of x is equals to e x cubed cosine x. So kung mapapansin natin, itong function na binigay sa atin is naka-multiply siya sa isa't isa, or bale, by definition, we can use or we can find the derivative of this by using chain rule. Bale, tatlo yung gagamitin nating derivatives dito. Derivative nito, and then yung kabuuhang derivative niya. So, unahin muna natin yung sa e raised to 3x cubed. E raised to u is equals to e raised to u times the derivative of u with respect to x. The derivative of cosine is negative sine x. Okay? And yung derivative ng product is equals lang yan sa u times derivative ng v with respect to x plus the derivative ng v with respect to u, v times the derivative of u with respect to x rather. And meron pa palang isa, power rule. X raised to n, the derivative of x raised to n, knowing that yung n natin is number or real number is equals to n times x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so salpak na natin. Ano yung derivative na natin? Yung derivative ng e raised to x cube natin. Isa-isayin natin. E raised to x cube is e raised to x cube times derivative ng x cube with respect to x. Okay. So, magiging, e raised to x cube times 3x squared, or 3x squared e raised to x cube. Na lang yan. Itong cosine x, alam naman natin, kasi given naman na siya, cosine x is equals to sine x. Negative sine x. Okay. And then, ida-direct na natin siya dito. Okay. So, u, ano nga ulit yung u natin? Yung u natin is e raised to x cube. Okay. E raised to x cube times yung derivative ng v natin with respect to x is sin x. Kasi ito, ang e natin is yung u, tapos yung v natin is yung cosine. So, bale, e times negative sin x plus v, ano yung v natin? Cosine x. Okay. Cosine x times yung derivative ng u natin with respect to x, 3x squared e raised to x cube. So, bale, ito na yung sagot, or kung gusto nyo, para ma-simplify, e raised to x cube sin x plus 3x squared e raised to x cube cosine x. Or kung gusto nyo, pagbalik ta rin yun 3x squared e raised to x cube cosine x minus e raised to x cube sin x. Regardless kung ano yung sagot nyo, ito na yung magiging final answer. Or yung f prime of x natin. Ito na. Kung kahit alin sa dalawa, since same lang naman yan, binaliktad lang natin yung expressions.